Hi, in the following tutorial, we're going to consider a lesson under transformation, particularly in English language paper 2. And our focus under discussion is going to be a certain type of rewrites for certain rewrites in an exam that starts with the word lead to. But before we proceed any further, it's important to understand that to rewrite a sentence is to make both sentences, considering the one that is given and the one that we are going to rewrite, be able to contain the same meaning, while we can be able to contain or change the language. Let's begin. The rewrites we are going to talk about are going to be called dative rewrites. So we're simply saying these are rewrites that are going to give an idea about the main intention in the sentence. By that I mean, if we give an example of question 1, it says, he didn't realize that he passed. This simply means the person had a clue or an idea, except it wasn't just the main focus. No wonder it starts with the word lead to imply that that clue or idea was simply there, except wasn't just properly or mainly entertained. Let's begin. Rewrite the sentences below correctly. If we are handling this in order to prepare for an exam, then this is the correct layout under which we should be able to provide correct answers. Number 1, he didn't realize that he passed. Begin lead to. When we bring in lead to, in the first sentence, they completely deny the idea saying he didn't. When we bring in lead to, we're supposed to kill the negativity and maintain a positive verb. By the way, our verb here is did and the negativity is not. When we get rid of this and we remain with the verb, he is the actual person in the sentence, thereby being our subject, except it is a pronoun. So we're going to interchange the verb and the subject, where we're going to say lead to did he, and then we maintain the actual originality of the sentence, where we're going to say lead to did he realize that he passed. Little did he realize that he passed. Number 2, Ruth didn't know that she was selected for the Olympics. Truth is, Ruth might have been able to be expecting that she would be selected for the Olympics. Maybe in such instances, there would have been better people than Ruth that in her place can be selected for that actual position. So this gives us the idea that even if she entertained that idea that she would be selected, except she just didn't give it the main focus of attention. So we're going to say lead to, and then we kill the negativity. We're going to say lead to did Ruth. So we're going to say lead did. But Ruth is a noun. A noun is always respected under grammar. This is where we're going to put the first letter as a capital to imply like this is the actual name of the person. Lead to did, then we say Ruth no. And then on the word no, we're simply going to maintain its original way or original nature. We're going to say lead to did Ruth know that she was selected for the Olympics. Little did Ruth know that she was selected for the Olympics. Number 3, little did I realize that I was betrayed. In this instance, if you can observe, based on what we started with, we're going to find that this sentence is the opposite of the idea that we started originally with. This simply means you have to pay particular attention before starting to answer. Little has already been used. We are to maintain the negativity for there to be a doubting thought that we can entertain that we didn't expect this. So I'm going to say I, which is here, you interchange I with did. So this becomes did, but to this did, you add a negativity, which is a not. I didn't realize that I was betrayed. I didn't realize that I was betrayed. Ensure you pause the video where you haven't understood. Relate the same very questions under the same concept to some of the same relatable questions that have been in the few past papers in an exam. Otherwise, when answering rewrites, always know we need to maintain the meaning, or we can maintain and change the language. I hope you find this video very much beneficial. Stay focused. This has been your tutor, Mr. Sensa from Sensa Academy School of Tuitions. From now till the next video, it's a goodbye.